Guys, today we are reviewing new SHEGLAM products. This is part 2. Let's go! Hi guys, this is part 2 of me reviewing SHEGLAM products. If you have missed the first part, click here or just wait until the end and I will put the second video over there. Let's go! So guys, I did order as well the brushes from SHEGLAM. It looks super cheap. I'm a bit worried about this because it feels cheap as well. So this is just like plasticky and it comes 3 brushes on them. This one is the foundation brush. As you can see, it's really soft, but it feels cheap. So I don't know how this is going to work in my face. Let's put a little bit of foundation over here. I have already prepped my skin, so let's tap on it. Okay, and let's go. Let's see how it works. I feel like the brush is taking all the foundation, is absorbing it, which I don't think I like that. Everything I put on my hand, it takes it. It's not bad, but I feel that I'm using much more foundation than I normally use, which I don't like. It looks pretty smooth, I have to say. Guys, I don't think it looks bad. My favorite brush, probably not just basically because it's absorbing all my foundation. Normally I don't use as much as foundation, so it does the job. If you're looking for something cheap, give it a go, but obviously I'm not sure if this is my favorite at all. Let's try next one. So this tiny one is the concealer brush. You can see it's super tiny, it's cute, it feels super soft. Let's see how it works. So I normally put my concealer just under my eyes. Looking a bit crazy here, but let's give it a go. I'm not sure guys if you can appreciate, but it doesn't blend as good as I would like. This is a really high coverage concealer and it's not working as well as with the Beauty Blender. And I have to say that when you use this on your eyes, it kind of hurts a little bit. I don't know if it's me or I am using it just in the wrong way. Maybe it's just me. It does not really feel that smooth. Let's try the next one. So this is the concealer brush and I'm going to be using Shine's concealer that I used on the previous video. It's pretty smooth and easy to apply. So I did approve this one, but let's see how it works with the brush. So let's put a little bit here and a little bit here. I don't know if you guys can appreciate it on the screen, but it works really well. It doesn't hurt you. It feels really, really soft. Really nice one. I feel like both products together, the SHEGLAM concealer and the sticks, they work really well together. So try this combo. I need to show you this one. They have the angle brush as well, and this one is meant to be used on this area. I'm pretty sure that this one will work as well as the other one. SHEGLAM also has this one. It's kind of circular and it's meant to be used for your setting powder. So let's give it a go. Go one more time over my under eyes just to make sure it doesn't crease. It's a little. Just a little bit. I don't want to put too much. Look at that. It feels good. Nothing bad to say about it. Obviously, I think there are better brushes than those ones, but it does the job. Let's try next. I'm so excited to try this one, guys. It's the blush brush. Can you see how it looks? It's quite funny. Kind of really thin at the top. Let's see how it works. I have this SHEGLAM blush, so we will go with this one. There's a couple of dot points. I honestly normally use my Beauty Blender for everything. I really love the Beauty Blender. But it really does the job. Look how pinkish. Love that. Looking for something cheap? Those are for you. Let's see what we have next. I wanna try these brushes as well, and another product that I got from Zane. So again, feels really cheap. Feels like it's going to break, honestly. And here are the brushes. So let's start with my eyebrow. I'm just going to be using a styling soap. Let's see how it goes. Wow, it got a lot of product there. Really nice there. Really nice. Guys, those eyebrushes are really cheap. So if you're looking for something cheap, go for those ones. And give it a go and let me know in the comments below. How does it feel? By the way, don't forget to subscribe and leave good vibes. This ready to set primer. Once you put this one, your eye color pops. Let's see if actually this does the job. Ooh, you just need to put it on your eyelid. A little bit. So apparently this is the blending blush. We're going to give it a go. Super thin, soft, but I don't know if it's soft enough. Go over here. Oh, I don't like this. No. Oh, I don't like it. Sorry, I don't like how it feels right now. I don't think that you guys can see any difference, but I don't really like the application of this one. Let's keep trying. So this one should be over here. Oh my gosh. I will have to be blending until forever, so I will be back. Guys, I'm going to leave it like this. Not the best, but we tried. Let's continue. I'm going to be honestly using those ones as a wish right now because I don't think that they work in the way that they should be working. I'm not really enjoying them, so I will do my best in another way. I swear to you guys, it looks better in my mirror than it looks here. I don't know why. But we tried on camera. I'm going to be using the SHEGLAM lipstick. I did use it in my previous video as well. Not my favorite color, but for the sake of the video, I'm doing it. Super smooth though, easy to apply. This is how it looks. Not bad. But I have something else. Let me say to you, I don't even remember what I bought, but I know that I have something else, so let's open it together. Oh no, this is the glitter liner. Oh my god. And I completely forgot about it. So let's see how I can add this to my look. This is how it looks. Ooh, where'd it go? Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to do it on my mirror. Let's see how it goes. It's kind of painful, but it's cute. That's so nice. Guys, it's so pointy. It's kind of painful at some point, but it's super beautiful. I just need to get around it, honestly. It's painful, guys, but it's super pretty. I think I just need to get used to use it, probably, because I hurt myself. But overall, I really like this look. It's not a perfect line. I will try it next time. But guys, that was everything. I really wanted to try the brushes. They are not my favorites. The contour brushes, they were good. I feel some of the ones that I used for the eyes as well, they were quite good. Love the blush. Super easy to apply the lipstick. And I feel it's super cute, the glitter liner. So give it a go. It was painful for me, but I feel like I haven't really worked with this kind of like liners for a long time, so I will give it a go again. But overall, super happy. I like it. Guys, let me know if you want me to review a few other SHEGLAM products, and I will do that. And also, let me know if you guys have tried those and if you enjoyed. Maybe the brushes weren't for me, but they work well for you. They're super cheap, so why not go and give it a go. But that was everything on my end. If you guys want to see part 1, please go to this video and watch it now. I love you so much, guys. Thank you very much for your support. And don't forget, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!